So we're heading to the restaurant that we went to the first night we were here, called Very Good Seafood Restaurant. They also have dim sum, so we're meeting my Auntie Fern and Uncle Ron there. These are like a chasu pastry. So what do you mean you were born?
Yeah, that's the spot. The old building is torn down. That's the corner.
You were born in the building?
Yeah. I live on the third floor. It just happened on the second floor. They have a kind of a midwife clinic.
Oh.
Not everybody go to the hospital. They just go to the midwife. So I was born in a bathtub. Something like that.
That's why you can swim so good.
Yeah.
So we are on our way to the Kowloon train station. We're going to take the high-speed train to the airport station so that we can check out the big Buddha. It's called Tian Buddha. Is that right? Tian Buddha?
Shout out to Lee Evans for the suggestion.
And again, since the MTR shut down, we have to take this route. So I think it should be pretty cool though. Normally this trip would take like 20 minutes on the MTR, but we've had to get off early, take 2 buses, and possibly take a cab. Okay, so the tram is closed for maintenance. Yet another hiccup, and the only days that it's closed was yesterday and today, and we just happened to pick this day to go to the tram. So we're taking a bus up to Lake Buddha, and hopefully we don't get sick. It's been quite the ride so far. Okay, so after a 45-minute bus ride, which seemed like the longest ride of our lives, we finally made it. Apparently you can walk that. It's a 4-hour walk if you decide to walk. It's dead here. There's like not many people around. Makes sense because the gondola's closed.
We all know quite a number of people who have everything that it would take to be happy, and they are not happy because they want something else, or they want more of the same. And we all know people who have lots of misfortune, and they are deeply happy. They radiate happiness. Why? Because they're grateful.
We decided to all get haircuts since it was the day before the wedding. If you're ever in Hong Kong and need a fresh cut, I'd highly suggest visiting Sam at Goodman Barbershop. The guy is just super nice and down to earth. He stayed open late just for us because he knew we were from out of town and had a wedding the next day. Thanks, Sam. We tried getting into Ichiran again after our haircuts, but it was closed. So we found another Japanese restaurant nearby. It wasn't the same, but it was still very good.